Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Jenny Beauty in a Minute. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about a new brand in my channel, and that's the brand dr.jart Plus. So dr.jart Plus is a Korean brand. The Mecca Stores in New Zealand and Australia has started selling the dr.jart Plus products here. I got hold of this Cicapair. La Roche-Posay also has a very famous product called Cicaplast. So this is the La Roche-Posay very famous Cicaplast Baume 5B+. And those who has a retinol reaction, a bad reaction to retinol, has developed some severe redness or broken skin barrier, they can apply this cream, and usually within 4 to 5 days, the skin would calm down and recover, and they carry on with their normal lives. And this is dr.jart Plus Cicapair, based on very similar concept, that is using the Centilla asiatica plant. The Centilla asiatica plant is also known as Gotukola, Asia pennywort, Brahmi, or tiger grass. It's the same thing. It's a plant that is grown in a lot of tropical countries. And what happened is laboratory studies has found some bioactive components in this plant. And they are very, very powerful in calming skin, in calming inflammation, calming redness, in healing broken skin or skin that are overly dry. The four main compounds in the Centilla asiatica: acetic colocide, the acetic acid, the madecacolocide, and the madecasic acid. So those are the four common, powerful, bioactive ingredients in the Centilla asiatica plant. If you see those ingredients and Centilla asiatica in your skincare, it's a good thing because it will help to calm your skin. So this one by dr.jart Plus, the color of the cream is slightly green. I would say this lotion is a lot more softer compared to the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Baume B5. La Roche-Posay's lotion is a little bit thicker and a little bit waxier. This one feels more like a moisturizer. So that's the difference in the texture between this product and the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast. This one is just a lot easier to use, a lot easier to rub in and to absorb into your skin. And the scent is very neutral. So I rub it all in. The other difference between this and the La Roche-Posay one is I don't get a white cast. With the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast, you get quite a white cast on your skin. But this one by dr.jart Plus, you don't get that white cast. Cream-wise, this one has a far better texture. It's far nicer to use. And it works exactly the same. This also gives me the same calming effect as the Cicaplast by La Roche-Posay. Ingredients-wise, Centilla asiatica leaf extract, and then it's got the 3 bioactive compounds: the acetic acid, the madecasic acid, and the acetic colocide. Other ingredients, you've got cocoa extract, shea butter, niacinamide, allantoin, glycerin, adenosine, and so forth. So this product has got some decent ingredients in it. This one by dr.jart Plus at 50 ml, which is what I'm holding here, is $97 from the Mecca Stores here in New Zealand and Australia. So it's nearly $100, so it's quite pricey. Whereas the Cicaplast Baume B5 by La Roche-Posay, and this one at 40 ml is only $18. So yeah, there's a big difference in price. 40 ml at $18, 50 ml at $97. So, and this one, if I put it here, as you can see, it's very white. It's a very, very white cream. So I've massaged it all in. And this one by Dr.Jart Plus, and this hand by La Roche-Posay. The La Roche-Posay just give me a little bit of a white cast. And especially when you put it on your face, you know, you can get this white cast. So that's the only thing. If you don't mind the white cast and you want a cheaper product, the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast is much cheaper and does the same job. But if you want a much nicer product to use, less sticky, less waxy, and no white cast, this is a much better product to use. So yeah, if you don't mind shelling out the price, and it's a well-formulated product, this product will do the same calming and soothing effects. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please list them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time.